Hi, I'm installing the seal for the rear main bearing. This is a rubber seal in 2 halves, and if you notice, there is a slightly offset from center. There is an edge or a little protrude edge of this seal, and I believe this seal needs to go inside the engine. So if this is the rear outside of the engine, so this one will not go this way. This little flap will be inward towards the engine, like this. And the reason I have is I looked at one YouTube video where it says it needs to be outward, like this side. However, there's another YouTube video which I found. They were saying that needs to be installed towards the engine crankshaft or engine side. Also, when I removed my engine, unassembled my engine, I found in the pictures it was installed also this way. The little flap was inward. So that's how I'm going to install. And I am also going to install these rope seal, and let me see how I'm going to do it. I will get back. So basically it needs to be squeezed down in the groove, and that's about it.